Hi, to hide and unhide apps on your Samsung Galaxy A35, first thing we need to do is open settings on the phone and here scroll a bit to see the home screen tab. So let's just scroll a bit and yep, here it is. We need to tap it and then scroll a bit more, and after that you should see this section hide apps on home and app screens. So simply select it and then you'll see this list of your apps from which you can select something to hide it. For example, let's hide Facebook. For that I'm gonna tap it and now it should appear in this hidden apps bar. If you misclicked and added accidentally wrong app here, you can easily remove it from hidden apps tab by tapping this minus above the selected app like that. And now when you are done with selecting apps, you can just tap done button on the bottom of the page like that, and this app will be hidden, so you won't be able to find it on your home screen and in app drawer. So let's test it. Let's go through my home page and yep, I don't see Facebook. Let's enable app drawer and I don't see it here as well, not in any folder. So let's open all of them and let's use search bar. Let's just enter Facebook and yep, we got no Facebook now. So if you wanna unhide this app, you need to return back in the settings. Here, as we did before, find home screen. After that, you need to choose hide apps on home and app screens. And here you should see all of your hidden apps. So to unhide them, just tap minus and don't forget to tap down button to save the changes and unhide those apps. And now let's find Facebook. So yep, now we can see it in my app drawer and we will be able to see it if we use the search bar as well. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye!